my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video. This one is going to be a really quick video. I have a few minutes of free time, so I figured why not get this done and over. I do have so many Boxycharm videos pre-filmed, which I think I'm just going to scratch because they are way past due. So that kind of sucks, but I do have my July base box, Boxycharm box here, so I figured why not just unbox it. I don't really have that much makeup on. I don't think I'm going to try anything on from the box, to be honest. Just gonna share what I got, and then that'll be it. I figured let me try to get some content in these few minutes that I have free. I've been going through so much in my personal life, so many changes. I will put you guys up and on all the juice, all the juicy juice, all the juiciness when I can. But for now, let's get into this base box unboxing. Alright, so here is the box. Super cute and small. I really can't wait for premium. It's an Urbina Anastasia Beverly Hills takeover. Super excited. So this theme is fantasy. I love how they played like Fanta and then sea, like ocean sea. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing that I see here is from Ali Poop or Ali You. Okay, when you first look at it, you just think Ali Poop. Is that just me? Okay, so this is from Ali You. This is the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen, and this retails for $25. So the four things in here are an eyeliner in black, a highlighter in champagne, a lip pencil in mauve, and a brow pencil in coffee brown. Also, I just got my eyebrows done, so if they look a little bit swollen, that's why your girl is hurting up here. And she looks like she got injected, but I didn't, I swear. Next is something from Muddy Masky. I don't know, but I love their masks. They're so freaking good. So this is what it looks like. This is from Mud Masky. This is the vitamin infused eye serum. Oh, it's not even a mask. Oh, this retails for $63. I love a good eye mask. I love a good eye mask. So the next thing is from Bella Pierre, and this is the liquid eyeliner. This retails for $20. We'll see. The fourth product is from the Lifestyle Co. This is the Detox Hair Serum, and this retails for $79. I could use some stuff for my hair because, girl, I'm losing it. I am losing it literally. Like, when I say I've been going through stuff, like mentally and physically, I am legit. Like, your girl is going through some stuff, and it shows in every single way. Like, as you can see, I'm literally losing my hair. So let's get on to the fifth product, which is the last product, which is from Alamar Cosmetics, and it looks like this. This is the Brighten and Bronze Complexion Trio. This retails for $25. I like that it shows the colors on the back. And then here are the shades. I believe this was my choice item. I chose this product out of the choices, and I'm happy that I did. I love that it has a really nice bright banana shade and some contour bronzer shades. They look a little bit too cool toned for me to be bronzers, but maybe they'll show up differently on the skin. So that is everything that I received in my base box for Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do miss you guys so much, and I really do want to just sit down and edit all the good footage that I have and start filming again and getting back into my routine. But you know, again, life has been super rough for your girl lately, so I'm trying to get through these days. So thank you guys so much for anyone who is sticking around. Okay, so I have chosen the 1K giveaway winner. I haven't messaged them. I do have the video filmed. I just need to edit it and so on and so forth. I don't know, but yeah, I just gotta edit and all that good stuff. But again, thank you guys so much for sticking with me through this rough time that I'm sure will pass. I'm you know, I'm speaking it into existence. It will pass. I will get back to where I need to be and posting consistently, but I need to get myself right first. I literally just got out of work. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night, wherever you are. Staying safe, staying blessed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Can you play that again? We've been through the 305 highway.